I'm Megan with WTI, and this is my 1100 watt Ninja blender. I purchased it mainly to make smoothies and drinks. I wanted something that could crush ice well, and this thing crushes ice like a boss. The blade attachment has 3 blades on it, spaced out all the way up. This is what really makes it blend things well. I've never had an issue with anything clumping. It absolutely catches everything as it's working. The spout on the lid is an extra bonus. I've used it for pancake batter, and of course I've also used it to pour into glasses for any sort of smoothie drinks that I've made, which eliminates extra dishes to wash. I really love the single serving cups that come with it. It is perfect for morning breakfast shakes. There's so much less dishes to do because of that little to-go cup that it comes with. And I wash my 2 to-go cups on the top rack of my dishwasher. I haven't had any issues with warping or anything of that nature. I really love that there is suction cups at the bottom. It just gives me a little bit more confidence if I happen to step away from the counter while blending something. I know that it is stuck and it's gonna stay in place. So if you need a blender upgrade like I did, this Ninja works like a boss. It does everything that I need it to do, and that's my point of view.